Hey Frugivore, welcome back to Frugivore Diet Channel. So the lighting is a little bit strange right now, but hopefully you can see me okay. Today's video is definitely not the normal video, and it's not a video that I ever wanted to make, but I feel pressured to make it, okay? So I'm going to get straight into it. I'm keeping a public record of the fact that my ex-boyfriend, Harley, is stalking me. And it's been 6 years now. We have broken up 6 years ago. And unfortunately, he hasn't moved on. And he's spreading a lot of lies and slander and stalking me. He actually literally ended up in my garden a couple of months ago. Ended up outside my door, just randomly, uninvited. We're in the middle of the jungle here, right? We don't have uninvited guests at all. And he lives on the other side of the country, literally, 5-day car trip or something. You have to drive for like 6 days or something, or take the plane. It takes a long time. So it was a real shock, as you can imagine. And I was just like, grabbed my camera and I started filming him.
But I have shown you now with my physical force that I want you to go.
You came into our property. It's like me coming into your house.
You can't come.
Why would you come in here without even saying anything?
You gotta go. You gotta go.
No. You can't force me to talk. You know all the hell that you caused me. And Robin tried to get him out, and he started crying. It was very sad. He started crying, and I have footage of all this. Okay. I don't want to share it though, because he obviously has, at this point, because he obviously has mental issues, and I don't want to stoke the fire, but I do want to keep a public record of this, because at this point I'm like, what is he going to do next? I don't know. I really don't know. You watch those videos of stalkers becoming dangerous. You know what I'm saying? And if someone just ends up in your home, outside your door, just randomly uninvited, then you have to be concerned about them, right? So all I hope is that he moves on and he gets the help he needs, because he always used to say to me, I'll never make your life hard, if you break up with me, because I love you and I want you to always be happy. And, I've said that to him before, don't you want me to be happy? You should be happy that I'm happy, basically. But obviously it's not about that. It's about him, and I think me rejecting him and him being very, very jealous and not being able to let go. And this is after him cheating on me and everything. I was putting up with a lot. So all I can say is, when you see him post anything about me, about my partner, ask for evidence, all right? Because if you don't get any evidence of it, then it's likely going to be rubbish, a slander. And recently he said that I was arrested and my partner's here illegally, both, which is just blatant lie. He is here legally. I have not been arrested. And things like this, I can see people believe it. That's a bad thing. People believe these lies because he's so manipulative. You must remember that when he's talking to you, he's extremely, extremely manipulative. So be smart, and remember that, just ask me if you have to. Ask me whether something is true, because a lot of slander has been spread about myself and my partner over the years, and we just ignore. We know he is a narcissist. We're trying to help him basically over this whole time, just by ignoring him and not fueling the fire. And I know this is not ignoring him, but I feel at this point I need to keep a public record, because I don't know what he's going to do next, right? Someone ends up in your home. So, and the thing is, that visit, we ended up coming to a good place, I thought. I talked to him for 2 hours. Even Robin talked to him as well. And I hugged him because he's crying, and I'm trying to help. And I thought we came to a good place. And look what happens. He just ends up going at it again, because it's like he wants to get rid of Robin. Basically, he wants to get him out of the picture. And that's not going to happen, because we're very happy. So anyway, I don't want to talk too much about this. I don't want to go on and on. There's so much I could say. And saying things like Robin was his best mate and he set us up, and this is absolute rubbish. Robin was just an attendee at the festival. Of course they talk here and there, but there's no good buddy status. And Just about everyone at the festival knows that, but he just, you know, he's pushing this around like they were best mates and I like cheated on him, and this is a complete lie. All right. So anyway, Harley, if you're watching this, I wish you well. Please just move on with your life like we have. And you have a girlfriend, give her the attention. Don't give me the attention. Don't give us the attention. She deserves it, you know, and get the help you need. Like, I'm happy to be friends with you, but I can't be friends with someone who is spreading lies and slander about me constantly and behind the scenes and having fake accounts and sharing my location. And this is not healthy, a healthy mindset. So anyway, that's my video for today. Just wanted to keep this public record, and please, please don't believe everything you hear on the internet. And yes, please, you be safe, and hopefully we can all be safe and just get on with our lives.